Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial. So we are going to be going a little bit more with our designs and editing. Today we'll be looking at working with text, and we are going to be looking at adding, editing and formatting text, exploring the fonts, colors and effects. So in the last video, please, if you have not watched, kindly go back to the last video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and follow me on my YouTube channel for more updates and more tutorials like this. So today we'll be looking at adding. In the last tutorial we did this, so we are going to improve on it. Now we used the text option here and did this design. Meanwhile, hold on a minute, let me connect myself to the internet, right? Okay, so once that was done, the next thing we did was to type in, our text. Now in this particular tutorial, we are going to modify this. I'll minimize this here, and we are going to edit this text. We are going to change the font. We are going to, explore with the colors. So over here at this bar, we have font, we have font size, we have text color, we have bold, italics, underline, strike through, we have uppercase. Over here we have alignment, we have list, we have spacing, we have effects, we have animate, position, transparency and copy. Also we have lock position. Now to lock position is, for example, if I pick a position and I want to lock it, it means that whatever happens, this particular place that I've locked will not move, right? If you on, yes, all right. So that's what it means to lock. So if you're doing a complex design and you don't want some specific elements to move, you can group them, you can lock them. All right, let's move over to this. So for this, let's choose, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's change the font. And over here, you see recommended fonts for this. Let's see what the recommended fonts look like. And then if something, piques your interest, or rather piques your interest, you can choose that. These are all the recommended fonts. Okay, I think we'll go with this first one. And let's see, for quick tutorial, the second subheading, you see other recommended fonts. So let's see what we have here. Okay, this looks about right. So under here we have regular, we have thin, we have medium and the rest. So depending on what you want to do, you can choose any of them. And then for the last one, welcome to my YouTube channel. You have also recommended fonts. Let me try using my recently used to see what it looks like. Okay, watch on YouTube, right? Playlist, let's see. Beautiful, something like this. For the sake of, this tutorial, let's leave it at that. Watch on YouTube. Now let's go over to the color. Let's see if we can change the color of the text. Let's try changing this text color to something fun. What are the fun colors you know? Okay. Now once you're doing this, you see how it looks like. Now let's improve on this. Because we are using something that looks like this playlist, we can't use bold, we can't use italics, but let's click on effects. Remember, in this tutorial we are trying to use effects and stuff. So let's add an outline to it. Okay, let's add an outline. Let's change the color of the outline to, I think let's change it black loose. Okay, white seems about right. So yes, let's work with black. So this is how you do this. Now let me space this text. Remember, you can space text here. All right. So this is it for spacing. We have added color, we have added effects, we have spaced, we have explored with all the fonts and colors. So now quickly, let me show you something. If you're having a challenge with color, you don't know how to pick your colors, Canva has made it easy for you to do that. So you want to open a fresh bar here and search Canva color wheel. You want to search Canva color wheel. So, or Canva color palette, anyone you choose. It shows you, now you want to click on this first one. It brings you to a space that looks like this, um, a workspace that looks like this. You will now see pick any color. If you are using a brand color, you can import it. You can import it here. So this is what we have with the colors over here. Um, let's say pick a color, right? And you want to pick any color. It will show you colors that combine with that color or colors that match with the color you have in mind. So let's see, I'm trying to use green. What colors? I think in this design we have here, we have, not this one. This one we have pink, we have black. So we are going to look at pink. Now let's see the particular pink we are using. So for this particular pink, let's go and copy the number. Remember how to find the number. If you come over here, you see the code here. Copy the code. Come over to your color wheel and add it here. You see this the a particular shade of pink we are using for that design. It will give us complementary colors that will work with it. If you want it a single color, like a single pink, it will give you monochromatic shades of pink that work with it. If you want more than two color, you can use analogous. If you want it three different colors like that, you can use this. You have, if you want this is four colors that will work with pink. This is the pink that we chose earlier. So all right, so this color will work with this color will work, and the numbers are here. So if you want to use a particular color, what you want to do, just click to copy the number, and when you move it to your code color code area, you see that the pink automatically changes. This was the previous one we had, and this was the one we imported. So this is where you can get it. We have the color wheel here, we have the color palette, we have different kind of color tones here. So if you're having difficulty choosing your colors, just come over to a new search bar and find it on Canva. So let's move over to the next thing. So at this point, I want to believe that we've understood how to change the text, how to select font, how to change the font color, how to add our effects to the text as well. So see you in the next video. And I want to believe that you already have something that you're working on, that you're modifying as we go over with this tutorial. So see you in the next one.